Hey folks, this is a video on right triangle applications from section 9.4. So if you would go down to example number 2. I'm just going to work through an example for you. I know I don't normally work through examples, but I think this may be helpful for you. So notice that the directions up here say that I should solve the right triangle. And solve the right triangle means to find anything on that triangle that's missing. So what's missing in example 2, first of all, is going to be the two legs, so side X and side Y. And then the third thing that would be missing is the measure of angle Y. So the measure of angle Y is going to be the easiest thing to find, and you see that I already have that down here in the, it's my third step, but I've left that uncovered because it's so easy. I know that 90 minus my angle X is going to give me my angle Y. So let's take a look then at the first thing that I would like to do, and that is I want to find side X. And I'm going to do that by using my sine. Remember that sine is opposite over hypotenuse. And so I'm going to take my already existing angle, sine of X, angle X, and that's going to be opposite, which is side X, over my hypotenuse, which is 89.6. Go ahead and plug in what you know angle X is, and that's that 47.8 degrees. Multiply on both sides by 89.6. Plug that into your calculator, and you'll get 66.3761 centimeters. And this is the length of side X. Now, I still have to find the length of side Y. So we're going to do that next, and we're going to do that by using cosine. Still using the exact same angle. I'm not worried about using angle Y. Still using angle X. And so I set up my equation to say cosine of angle X is equal to side Y over 89.6. Go ahead and plug in what your X angle is, which is that 47.8. Plug that into your calculator, and you should get 60.1862 centimeters, which is going to be the length of side Y. The second example is going to be example number 3. For example number 3, the first thing that I notice is that I'm only missing one side. So I'm just simply going to use Pythagorean theorem to find out what side C is. So leg squared plus leg squared equals hypotenuse squared. Do the math in your calculator. Take the square root of both sides, and you get a side C value of 151.5004. I still need my angle A or my angle B. And so for this, I'm going to use tangent. So I'm going to go ahead and look for angle A first. So the tangent of angle A is opposite over adjacent. So that's where I got my 125 over 85.6. Inverses find angles, and this is going to be a phrase that you're going to hear frequently. So let me write it down. Inverses find angles. So if you want to find the angle A, you're going to need to use an inverse to do that. So angle A is going to be tangent inverse. That's a button on your calculator. It's right up above your tangent button. Tangent inverse of that same fraction, 125 over 85.6. Plug that into your calculator, and you should get an angle A whose measure is 55.5967 degrees. From this point, it's very easy to find angle B because you know angles A and B are complementary. So in order to find angle B, I'm just going to do 90 minus my angle A, and I will get 34.4033 degrees.